Hi sisters, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I will be creating everyday makeup look in less than 5 minutes. So this look is going to be really easy and simple. I'm not going to use a bunch of products. I'm going to keep it very easy, light and simple, just perfect for office, college, or if you're going out somewhere where you want to look presentable and you don't want to go with so many products and doesn't want your skin look cakey. So that's the idea for today's video. And if you have come to my channel for the first time, then hi, my name is Aisha. I create content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and on that note, let's get started. So starting with the base, I have already prepped my skin. I have already completed my skincare routine. It is really important before you start with the makeup to do your proper skincare. Not necessary you will have to go with the complete 7 to 8 step skincare routine. You need to at least have the basic layer of moisturizer, SPF and some sort of serum which is like suitable for your skin type, so that there is a layer before any makeup directly touches to your skin. And let's start with our first step, which is to apply the primer. And as you all know, this is my favorite primer by Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth. So this is my go-to primer. I like to use it. And today I will also not be going with any foundation. So this is going to be no foundation makeup look which I'm gonna create. I think I really need to do some serious shopping because okay. So I'm going to apply the primer and focusing this area. Okay, now that the primer is all there, we will move on to the next step, is to use a color corrector. I want to go with the color corrector first and then I will go with the concealer. I really want to go with the color corrector just to hide my dark circles because I think it is more visible, and I will not be using any foundation today. So I like to go with the color corrector first, and I'm not going to use any brush or sponge. I'm using my finger to blend the color corrector. Actually, this is not the color corrector, this is the orange lipstick which I have kept it as a color corrector. Whenever I feel like using a corrector, I like to go with this lipstick. This is by Oriflame, which is my favorite brand. I'm not gonna blend it completely. I'm gonna use the concealer and then mix it together while blending, so that will all come together. Now I will be moving to the third step, is to use a concealer. And for my concealer today, I'm using this one by L'Oreal Paris. This is like full coverage concealer. Please be very careful with this concealer because it is full coverage concealer. When it say full coverage, it is full coverage. Please ignore those noises. A little backstory about this concealer. When I got this for the first time, I had no idea कि कितना coverage आता है. तो मैंने like any other concealer, I started applying, and then I literally could see my face was changed. I mean, the features and everything is like shocked कि makeup has such a power to, you know, change the entire look of face. And be careful with this concealer. So I'm going to be really careful and apply only one drop here. And now I'm gonna use a concealer brush to blend the concealer along with the color corrector, which is like not blended completely. Okay, so the concealer is all complete. Now I'm gonna use a compact powder, and this one is by Oriflame. On Color is the brand by Oriflame. So I'm going to apply this wherever I have applied the concealer and set my face. For my blush today, I'm using this one by Swiss Beauty. This is like one of my favorite product. From the time I've got this product, I've been using this, and I like to use this on daily basis. Whenever I feel like going with full blush, I like to go with this product. I'm going to use a blush brush to blend the blush. But I'm gonna use the same product on top of my eyes just to get that fresh look. I'm not going with the eyeshadow today, only this product will do for me. On to the next step is to apply the mascara, and for my mascara today I'm going with this lashes. This is the cluster lashes, and you can never go wrong with this product, and I don't like to go with mascara on daily basis, so this is just the perfect product for that. And it comes with the glue, and this is very easy to apply because earlier I never used to like use the lashes or falsies or mascara or anything. For a beginner, this is like perfect. That's it, it's all there. See, easy peasy, so easy that was. So that one thing which I never thought I will learn is to apply the false lashes, but this product gave me that confidence to apply the falsies, and I think I am doing a good job with this. That's it, we don't have to go with mascara, this will do the job. Now we will move on to the last second step, which is to get the glow. That glow comes from this product. This is Master Chrome by Maybelline. Whenever I feel like going with the glow, I go with this product, and you can never go wrong with this one. And now moving on to the last step is to apply the lipstick. For my lips, I am going with this lip liner first, which is Spill the Beans by Swiss Beauty. Now after outlining my lips, I like to go with the pink shade and apply it. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the final look. So this was it for today's video. I hope you people will like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.